If your mind has been busy and your nervous system running on high, then this is the meditation for you. Hi, I'm Jackie from Mala Yoga, and this is Olive. Today's practice is to help you soothe your nervous system, to settle your mind, and focus on bringing energy, prana, light, into your body and mind. We'll start seated, so please set up in a way that you feel comfortable. Remember that you can sit on a chair if that's more appropriate for you. Feeling your sitting bones on your support. Close your eyes when you're ready. If you prefer to, you can always simply take your gaze down to the floor in front of you. Let your breath move in its own rhythm. Simply take a moment to be here and feel your breath for a moment at your nostrils. Smooth and soft and steady. And become aware of the 5 ways that you experience the world around you. Eyes, ears, nose, mouth, and skin. With your next inhale, feel that you can draw prana, white light, in through your eyes and your ears, your nose, your mouth, and your skin, and let it come to rest at your eyebrow center. Please hold your focus at your eyebrow center and let your exhale happen. Continue to maintain the focus at the space between your eyebrows as your breath moves all on its own. And starting to sense here, to feel, to see this ball of light at your eyebrow center. Your eyes might feel like they are very slowly, very subtly turning upwards to look at this point between your eyebrows. Experiencing this ball of light at your eyebrow center. And then begin to feel that you can move this white light upwards so that your whole brain feels like it's being bathed in this white light. And this bath of white light, it completely revitalizes and rejuvenates the mind. It soothes and replenishes the mind and the senses. And with that sensation of your inner gaze being upwards, melt your awareness into this sensation of your brain being bathed in white light, soothing and calming for your mind and your nervous system. Slowly become aware of your breath again. And gently bring your palms to touch in front of your heart. a heart filled with gratitude for this practice together today. And bowing your head, taking your hands to your third eye. Namaste. Thank you for sharing practice with me today.